Error 14 consists of one signal separated with the next 4 signals. Those Xiaomi scooters which have a display will show the error number on display in red color. Error 14 is related to accelerator issue. Either the accelerator is damaged and needs replacement, or the wire cable got disconnected from the plug, so you will need to plug the accelerator wire back. In either way, you will have to disassemble some parts to reach the connection plug. Take the plastic card and unfold two cover panels which are glued to the scooter. Slowly pull the card from the bottom to the top. After some time, the display panel will be opened. The same way, open the second cover near the front lamp. Unscrew 3 small bolts which are holding the circuit board. Pull out the circuit board. To test fast if there is a real issue with the accelerator, I'm going to connect a new one. I will need to release the rubber band from connectors. Unplug the current accelerator, and then we'll connect the new accelerator. The cable used for the accelerator has the next 3 colors: black, green and red. After connecting the new accelerator and running on the scooter, the issue has to disappear. Now it is not beeping anymore, so the problem is with the existing accelerator. I will have to change it, unplugging the cable, releasing the rubber handle, unscrewing the underneath bolts in the accelerator. There is a rubber inside the handle, which needs to be taken out. The plastic stopper on the handle will also be taken out with a knife or screw. Before assembling back, I'm verifying once again that the new accelerator is working fine. The accelerator wire is difficult to put inside through the handle, so I will need to unscrew the lamp as well. There are 2 bolts which are holding the lamp, one above and one below. Need to unscrew both of them. Now the wire is inside. I will connect it finally and retest. The scooter should turn on without any error. Screwing back the front lamp. Putting back the rubber. And another rubber which holds all the connectors. Verifying once again. Putting back 3 bolts for the circuit board. Screwing back the bolts from the lamp, from the bottom and from the top, and fixing up the accelerator to the handle. When putting the rubber handle, check that it doesn't interfere with the accelerator. Otherwise, if it is too close to the accelerator, it can rotate with difficulty. So there needs to be some space between the rubber handle and accelerator. Check the accelerator moves freely up and down. The last part is to put 2 covers on top and to push them so they can stick firmly. Now it's not giving me any error. Thank you guys, bye.